Yeah, what's going on, y'all? You already know what it is. It's your boy J Creole, just off that photo shoot, down status photo shoot, Yeah, anyway, big news, you know what I mean? DJ Blackjack, Moving to Work Mixtape, Volume 1 just came out today, you know what I mean? Very excited about it. Shout out to DJ Blackjack, all the artists that send their stuff, you know what I mean? Their music on there, oh man, that shit is crazy, bananas, you feel me? So like go get it, www.piff.com, coast to coast mixtape.com, you can check it on there. HaitianRap.com is coming on there soon too, you know what I mean? Get it, easy, you feel me? And remember, volume 2 on the way, you know what I mean? We do it all day, Set Card Entertainment, you know what I mean? We grind 247, That's just how it is, Shout out to DJ Black one more time. Know what I mean? That brother put in work, a lot of work. You can look up for him, man. The industry's not ready for this. Blackjack is on the way, man. It's coming. It's coming, man. I done told you. Blackjack is here. Volume 1, moving to work. And that's what it is. You already know. Set a card entertainment. Salute. Yes, sir.